In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital glitch effect in DaVinci Resolve. This is a handy technique for giving your projects a dynamic and modern feel, adding that distinctive, edgy look that can really make your videos pop. So whether you're new to video editing or have some experience, follow along as we break down this process into simple, manageable steps. First things first, to get started, you need to open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. This well-known video editing software is favored for its powerful capabilities and is a great platform to enhance your creative projects. If you haven't installed it already, you'll need to download and install it first. Once you have it up and running, go ahead and open your project or start a new one. Now let's move on to applying the effect. On the main interface, navigate to the Effects library. This section is where all the magic happens. You'll see a wide range of effects and options to choose from, which can be overwhelming at first. But don't worry, we're focusing on one specific effect today. In the Effects library, you'll find a search bar that helps you quickly navigate through the numerous options available. Here, you want to type in Digital Glitch. This will help you pinpoint the exact effect you need without having to scroll through every option. The digital glitch effect is quite popular for creating that distorted, futuristic visual style seen in many contemporary films and music videos, and it can really elevate the tension or intrigue in your scenes. Once you've found the digital glitch effect, the next step is straightforward. Simply drag and drop it onto the clip in your timeline that you want to transform. As you apply the glitch effect, you'll immediately notice the difference it makes, adding those telltale distortions and visual noise that define a digital glitch. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a digital glitch effect to your video. It's simple enough to get the hang of within minutes, yet powerful enough to significantly enhance the feel of your project. Play around with adjusting the timing of the effect or applying it to different clips to see how it can be used creatively to tell your story. Remember, the world of editing is vast, and continuously experimenting with different effects can lead to discovering new techniques and styles. So feel free to explore further within the software. Thanks for joining me today as we walk through this process. Hopefully this tutorial has helped you on your video editing journey. Keep creating and have fun with it.